Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to tag friends on Instagram post after posting. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram is popular for two of its elements, stories and posts. However, both of them are very different. While Instagram stories only last for 24 hours before they disappear, Instagram posts remain on users' timelines unless they decide to archive them. Additionally, the time required to upload either a photo or video post on Instagram is much more than that needed to upload a story. And users can tag their friend on Instagram before and after uploading a photo or a video as a post. So how to do it? How if you want to tag your friend on your post after you posting that post? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. You can choose post that you want to tag. Now you can tap on the three dots on the upper right corner on the username here. You will see there is an option like share to Facebook, archive, hide like count, turn off commenting, create reel from this post. You can tap on edit here. And in edit, you can add location, you can edit alt text on your picture or photo. If you want to take your friend, you can tap on here, tap on people, and you can tap on the photos like this. You can enter the username of your friend that you want to tag. Example like this. Now, you can also tag more than one person. If you want to take two friends or three or more than that, you can do that. Now you can tap on the upper right corner here. You can also edit your caption. After that, you can tap on the upper right corner here. So now you've tagged your friend on your post. So that is how to tag friend on Instagram post after posting. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!